NBC intermission report level of analysis by Sean on that one.
Well, no, if it was NBC, they'd be like, on the other hand.
Call emergency services.
Yeah, how many hours got a dub in a blunt? I get to drinking, I'm messing with plans. Yeah, bro, got this shit.
Okay, Garmin, save video.
Aduh, tak ikut. Aduh. Wonge katut rek.
Astagfirullahaladzim, siapa ini? Senyopir siapa ini? Astagfirullahaladzim.
Wong kon menang kok.
Democratic governor in that state, whose name is escaping me at the time, but she's been around for a very long period of time, right? A very long period of time. But the key factor that I think is so important to keep in mind in any of these states that lean at least a little bit blue is that
Think will attempt to make an emergency call. To cancel the call, please choose cancel from the screen, or press the hang up button.
Jesus fucking Christ.
He's coming up at the intersection right now.
We're at River Stop.
We're at River Stop, passing Carter's. He's getting ready to make a turn. If he gets back on the road, he's not even going to stop. He looks like he's going straight.
He just went in the ditch.
He just went in the ditch. Everything bounced out the back of his truck.
I just work at some more school and on the boss's dime. Classes go well, and I coast through spring semester by tapping into a bit of savings. And wouldn't you know it, the pandemic happens, and my unemployment benefits are extended. Guess I'll take some summer classes too. And those extended benefits were at 3 times the base employment rate? Gee whiz, I guess I can take a full set of fall classes too. And then my state
What the hell? Oh, fuck. Oh my god, I just crashed my boyfriend's car. Oh my god.